Hello everyone, greetings from Jongsan. Today we would like to introduce our camper for perfume bottles. Here I would like to show you the manual one first. We have four size, 30mm, 15mm, 18mm, and 20mm. When we're talking about the size, we are saying the size here, the bottle opening diameter. Like this one is 50mm. Now I would like to show how to operate it. Take off this part, put it on to the bottle, put the camper on. See, it's very nice. And cannot move it, it's very close. When you put the camper on, make sure when you press it, these two handles are in the same line. They need to be parallel so that the finish will be nicely. If it's not, then you need to adjust this side, adjust here, the cupping head by rotating it. Okay, that's all. Thank you for watching.